Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I'm Dhawan, who's going to show you a delicious chicken dish called Murgh Choley, which is famous in Lahore. So let's start cooking. To begin the recipe, first we switch on the gas, add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf, 4 green cardamom pods, 2 black cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, black peppercorn whole, and cloves. After whole spices, I'm going to add onion and cook till they get golden brown in color. As the color of the onion starts to change, I'm going to add ginger-garlic paste. I'm going to cook the ginger-garlic paste till the rawness goes away and onion are golden brown in color. The onion is golden brown in color. I'm going to add chicken now. Saute the chicken till the color of the chicken changes to white. As the color of the chicken has changed to white, I'm going to add boiled chickpeas. Now I'm going to add 4 slit green chilies. And to season it, I'm going to add Garam Masala, Coriander powder, salt. Now mix together nicely and cook till the rawness of the masala is gone. After the rawness of masala is gone, I'm going to add boiled chickpea paste. I'm going to add curd. Also, I'm going to add water. Mix it nicely. I'm going to lower the heat and cover and cook the chicken for at least 10 minutes. Chicken is almost done. At this stage, I'm going to add black pepper powder. Again, cover and cook it for 2 minutes. By that time, we'll prepare the rogan. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. Add ghee. As the ghee gets hot, I'm going to add red chili powder. Mix it up nicely and directly add into the pot. And cover and cook it for at least 2 minutes. Our chole chicken is ready. I'm going to add little coriander. Cover it for 1 minute and then serve it. And there you go guys, our Murgh Choley is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.